Hello everyone, I am Jaydeep Mundra from Bikaner POLYMERS Private Limited. We are manufacturers of PET cans and can seaming machines. These are the beverage can seaming machines. We are primary manufacturers of PET cans for packing various products, from beverage to snacks to nuts to mukwas to dairy products. We have a wide range. In this video, we will be showcasing our two beverage can seaming machines. This is an imported beverage can seaming machine, and this is an Indian make, our own make beverage can seaming machine. We will be packing our 500 ml PET can for carbonated beverages with all three types of lid: beverage lid, peel off lid, and full aperture aluminum lid. We will be doing this seaming process on both the machines and show the sealing and sealing quality to you for both the machines. We also provide fixtures, like this is a fixture for 500 ml and this can be a fixture for 250 or 350 ml as per your choice. We are starting the sealing process and showing this to you. First, we will seal the beverage lid. It's an imported machine and there is the sealing quality and there is no leakage. I'm pressing the can and there is no leakage. Now we'll seal the same beverage lid on our own make Indian machine on the 500 ml can. Again, the sealing quality is good and there is no leakage. Now we'll seal the peel off lid on both the machines and show it to you. This peel off lid and the full aperture lid is generally used for cakes, thick shakes, laid cakes, Boba tea. So I'll be packing these two. First with aluminium full open lid. The can is sealed. There is no leakage. I'll be doing the same on our own make. Can is sealed and there is no leakage. Now we'll be sealing the peel off lid on both the machines. Can is sealed, no leakage. This machine, can is sealed and there is no leakage. Now, the difference between both the machines is that in this machine, we are providing a 6-month warranty motor. All parts for both the machines are available with us. All spare parts are available with us. So we can provide you all the service required for seaming. This does not come with any warranty, but all spare parts are with us and we can give you the service. This comes with 6 months warranty. The cans we make in various sizes and we also provide the plastic cap on top. We do not provide the machine without the can. We do not sell the machine without the can. Our primary business is to make PET cans, and machine we sell to our own customers who buy cans from us. So we provide machines to them only. Thank you. For any questions, please get back to me. Thank you.